Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to another exciting episode of The Kids Hour. और ये आज हमारी एपिसोड नंबर 5 है एंड सॉरी फॉर बीइंग अ लिटिल बिट लेट क्योंकि हम दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रहे थे. So we were really very busy in these days. Yes, we were working with some recycling things and all that. So आज जो हमारी एपिसोड है that is all about. Can you tell us something about what the episode?
Flags.
Yes, the flags around all around the world. So that is why I named this episode Flags All Around the World.
And I'll tell you what this country.
Yes, which country is this?
It's Morocco.
Morocco.
And it's the capital city Rabat.
Okay, see.
And this is my own country.
अच्छा जी, तो
Lockdown.
सबकी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. इट्स ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. द लॉकडाउन इज गोइंग ऑन. तो आज सुबह से मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ बिजी थी विद वर्किंग आउट द फ्लैग्स एंड एवरीथिंग. और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये हमने सारे फ्लैग्स बनाए हैं सुबह से. एंड द किड्स एक्चुअली दे जस्ट yes the kids actually loved coloring it, making it and all that. तो different flags हमने बनाए और फिर we actually talked about how the different flags and what actually the flags has a meaning. Did I tell you, Ali Raza, that every flag has a meaning?
No.
The secret meaning in that?
Yes, I know.
Yes, what's the meaning of the Japan? Why the Japan has a red color
I
circle?
didn't hear you.
Okay, Ali Raza, can you tell us why that's a red circle in the flag of Japan? It shows something. It shows the sun.
Yes.
Yes. So actually, since the morning we were actually talking about all these things और हमने ये देखा कि उसके अंदर हम जो flag है, secret code ये है Japan के flag का that it has a rising red sun in that.
I know the secret of Pakistan.
Yes. What's the secret?
So the white people, the white line is for the people that are not Muslims, and
Yes.
the green line that are Muslims.
Yes, the green.
And when the star and moon is the star are the Muslims.
Yes.
The Pakistani.
Okay, and Aliha, can you pick up the Australia's flag?
Okay.
This is the Australia flag, yes. No worries, we
I
can
can
fix it.
fix it. I'm good.
Okay, so Aliya is going to share us some secrets about the Australia flag, and Australia flag has a secret. Yes, Aliya, what's the secret of Australia's flag?
You
Yes, so Australia flag has this flag of UK in that.
UK because UK made it.
Yes, UK created Australia. That's the reason why it has a Union Jack in that. And what does the stars here represent? Aliha, what does the stars
The
represent?
South Cross.
Southern Cross, yes, the territories of Australia, yes.
Yeah.
And do you know that Australia and like which flag is similar to Australia? Yes,
New Zealand.
New Zealand's flag. Yes, New Zealand flag is
Also
much
Fiji Island.
kind of. The Fiji Island also has the Union Jack in the yeah. Okay, so would you like to share some knowledge with the friends also? Yes, guys, that way. So, I'm going to ask you some tricky questions today, and would you like to answer this?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Pretty
which
easy.
country flag is not rectangle but is a square? Yes. Aliha. Niger and
Vatican City.
Vatican
And
City.
Switzerland.
Switzerland, yes, Switzerland also. And which country flag is different of all the flags? Yes.
Oh, Libya.
No. Yes.
Nepal.
Nepal is the right answer.
Nepal.
Yes.
Here is Nepal.
Here is Nepal. Nepal flag has kind of triangles in that. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, coming again. And now my question is, which country?
Can I have a question?
No. I'm going to ask you questions. Which country has only one color in the flag? Yes. Yes.
Libya.
Libya is the right answer. Okay, which country? No, I am asking, you are talking, you are answering. I am questioning. No.
Can I have a question for you?
Yes.
The first question, Bangladesh, Japan.
No, that's my question. Which country flag is almost similar? Don't see at the flags. Look here. So, which country flag is almost similar but different in colors? Ali Raza.
Qatar and Bangladesh.
Qatar and Bangladesh?
No, I know. Red.
Bahrain, Qatar and Bahrain. Okay, they have almost the same color. Just Bahrain color is maroon and Qatar is no. Bahrain is red and Qatar is maroon. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Bahrain is red and Qatar is maroon. Maroon color.
But
This
is
is
also
maroon.
another difference.
More lines. Yes. Yes.
Bangladesh
Okay, one more question.
Salo is same.
Yeah, that was my question actually.
I read you.
Okay, look there. Now another question is that which country flag has stars on it?
Somali did that at Morocco.
Oh, Somalia, Vietnam, and Morocco. Morocco also has a star in that. Which country has circles on their flag?
Oh, bye!
Yes. Okay, which country has circles on there? Japan and
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay. And which country? Okay, which countries has a Union Jack? The Union Jack, the United Kingdom's flag, on their flags.
Australia, Fiji Islands, and New Zealand.
Australia, Fiji Island, New Zealand. Which country?
And Tuvalu.
Okay, which country?
Tuvalu.
Okay, looking there. No, this is cheating. Not looking there on the flag.
Okay.
Looking there on the screen. Okay. Which country is the largest country in the world? Yes.
Russia.
Okay. And Aliha, which country is the smallest country in the world?
Vatican City.
Vatican City. And do you know how many people live there?
801.
801 was last estimated. Up to
And China has the most people.
China has the most people. Yes. Okay, so do you want, can you go and take a napkin from there? Okay, so Aliha, do you want your friends, do you recommend learning flags to your friends as well? Is it interesting?
Yeah.
What is interesting about this?
Flag is a type of country.
Flags, okay. अच्छा एक और बात आज मैं आपके साथ बड़ा एक्साइटिंग ये इट डिपेंड्स एक्चुअली कि आप अपने बच्चों के साथ क्या क्या एक्साइटिंग एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से हमारे अपने जो पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट होते हैं वही हम बच्चों के अंदर भी एब्जॉर्ब करवा देते हैं तो पर्सनली मुझे इंटरेस्ट है इसके अंदर तो दैट इज व्हाट I observe that my kids actually take good interest in that. तो बच्चों के सामने एक atlas जरूर रखा करें, the maps of the world and all that. ये it's not just about learning about flags only, it's more very much knowledgeable. ऐसे भी लोग बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी कंट्री नेबरिंग है, कौन सी कंट्रीज आपस में जो है वो बिगेस्ट कंट्री हैं, कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो दिस इज द फ्लैग ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ये किड्स वर्जन है मैप ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फ्लैग है, आप मेरे ऊपर देख सकते हैं. यस, कैन यू प्लीज सिट. तो ये इंटरेस्टिंग फ्लैग इसलिए है क्योंकि इसके अंदर फौना और फ्लोरा भी डिस्कस किया है ऑस्ट्रेलिया का और इसके अंदर बहुत मैं आपको करीब से दिखा सकती तो दिखा सकती कि इसके अंदर जो किस किस रीजन्स में और किस किस स्टेट में जो है या एक्चुअली ये बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव है कि कौन कौन सी स्टेट में जो है वो कौन से एनिमल्स हैं कौन से हैं. तो माय किड्स एक्चुअली दे लव इट एंड दे ऑलवेज कीप लुकिंग एट इट. कैन आई टॉक? So इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें इस तरह से है कि हैबिटेट ऑफ वाटर बताया है, हिस्ट्री एंड इकोनॉमी बताई है, एनिमल्स बताए हैं और सी एनिमल्स बताए हैं, स्पोर्ट्स बताए हैं, बिल्डिंग्स बताई हैं, बहुत सारे इसके अंदर. बहुत अच्छा फ्लैग है. दिस आई रियली अप्रिशिएट. अगर मुझे किसी और कंट्री का भी मिलता तो आई मस्ट हैव बॉट इट, लेकिन आई जस्ट हैव इट फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आई विश आई वुड हैव वन फॉर पाकिस्तान ऑल्सो. क्योंकि अच्छा ये बात कहने का मकसद ये है कि there's so many things that you can do this in this lockdown activity जहाँ हमें बच्चों को एक तरफ बच्चों को normally psychologically active रखना है, psychologically relaxed रखना है, इसी तरह साथ साथ हमें उनकी learning भी करनी है. learning not just एक जो वो school learning home schooling कर रहे हैं वो तो करना ही है, but these are all the things जो कि हम normally every day हमें बच्चों के साथ करनी चाहिए. This is something factual, scientific facts about all over the world and all that. इसी वजह से आज मैंने ये टॉपिक जो है वो चूज किया. अच्छा एक और इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अली रजा के साथ, क्योंकि अलिया वाज हैविंग हर कुरान क्लास सो she didn't have time to do that, but for Ali Raza I asked him to make a flag. Suppose it's an imagination that you can watch like I asked him to make a flag if ever he wanted to make a country and what his flag would be. So Ali Raza made this flag. Would you like to share it with the friends, Ali Raza? Okay, so
It's
Ali
called
Raza.
Philonda.
Okay, and what's the country name? What's the country if you create any country someday? What will be the name of that country, Ali Raza? You just told me.
Philonda.
Philonda. Okay, come and sit. Come and back. ओके सो ये एक फिलोंडा था. फिलोंडा इन कंट्री का नाम है और दिस इज अ फ्लैग ऑफ फिलोंडा एंड फिलोंडा's फ्लैग इज एंड आई वाज एक्चुअली मोर टू आस्क अबाउट कि इसकी करेंसी क्या होगी और हाउ इट विल बी, वेयर इट विल बी, और आप एक लैंग्वेज भी कह रहे थे ना, उस लैंग्वेज क्या होगी उस कंट्री की?
I don't know.
यू जस्ट टोल्ड मी लैंग्वेज. आप अभी मुझसे शेयर कर रहे थे कि उस कंट्री की लैंग्वेज ये होगी.
Rayonka.
Rayonka.
There's
Okay.
one country with no capital.
No country with no capital. Which is that country?
Nauru.
Nauru. Okay, Nauru. Nauru is in Oceania and it has no capital. देखें अब ये बात मुझे भी नहीं पता थी, but actually the map is always 24/7 in front of their eyes and they keep discovering all the time कि इसके अंदर क्या facts हैं. ये बात मेरे knowledge में भी नहीं थी जी.
There's 195 countries.
195 countries. Okay.
Yeah.
And 195 countries are there. और क्या हमारे पास फैक्ट हो सकता है फ्लैग्स के बारे में? Aliyah, would you like to share anything more about the flags?
Okay. Flags. Okay. What about flags? Australia. I'll tell you everyone the animals in the country.
Okay. Would you like to share?
First, Australia.
Okay.
Australia has like emus, koalas, kangaroos, baby kangaroos, platypus,
Okay.
and echidnas.
ओके सो ये था. अच्छा, एक और चीज मैं आपके साथ इसी हवाले से, इसी एपिसोड के हवाले से शेयर करना चाहूंगी. दैट वाज एटलस एंड द बुक फ्लैग बुक. दिस वाज द वर्ल्ड फ्लैग्स बुक, एटलस एंड द वर्ल्ड फ्लैग. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. इसी के अंदर एक्चुअली ये फ्लैग, आई गॉट दिस फ्लैग फ्रॉम दिस बुक and this book it's actually a giant package for a lot of things. It has a sticker book, flag, wall chart and scratch of so many
We
things.
lost the scratch.
Yeah, I think. बट कोशिश मेरी ये होती है कि इसके अंदर ये सब चीज़ें हैं. तो क्या है इसके अंदर अली रज़ा, ये क्या है? इट इज़ एक्चुअली अ स्टिकर बुक थी जो कि ये फ्लैग्स थे और इन बच्चों ने खूब इसके अंदर ढूंढा, चीज़ें ढूंढी. दे एक्चुअली आस्किंग अबाउट कि एफिल टावर कहाँ है और जो फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं अराउंड द वर्ल्ड वो कहाँ कहाँ हैं. तो एक्चुअली ये लोग कर चुके हैं. और बट ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बुक थी अबाउट द फ्लैग्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड इट वाज डिस्कवरिंग द वर्ल्ड एंड द एटलस. और जो दूसरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक है जो कि इसके अंदर थी, माय फर्स्ट एटलस. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मैंने आज इसको खोला एंड देयर वर सो मेनी एक्साइटिंग फैक्ट्स जो कि मुझे भी नहीं मालूम थे, विच आई वांट दीज किड्स टू लर्न टू रीड दैट. मेरे ख्याल से बच्चों को वेराइटी ऑफ बुक्स का आदी करना चाहिए. हम सिर्फ स्टोरी बुक्स पे या पिक्चोरल बुक्स पे ही फोकस करने लगते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है. और अलीहा एंड अली रज़ा रियली लव डूइंग ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज़. मेरे ख्याल से ये भी एक मोटिवेटेड पैक है जो कि आई गेस एवरी किड वुड लव टू डू दैट. I appreciate not only my kids but all kids around me to just share things, whatever, any good ideas if they could bring into somebody's knowledge. I guess that's always very interesting. I appreciate everybody for watching all this, and I am very much glad and thankful for the response you guys are giving me. It keeps me motivated. Maybe everybody's saying that I am motivating others, but actually your comments and your feedbacks and a lot of praises that I get in my inbox.
Also your waves.
Yes, so a lot of things and lot of positive vibes that I get in my inbox every day after about these episodes. I really appreciate that. That actually keeps me motivated. And Aliha and Ali Raza are very, very helpful. Ali Raza, you can use a napkin. Is it here? So you can use it. So the winters is here, so the weather is turning really bad for the kids as well. So Aliha, would you like to say something to your friends? Yes? You want your friends to read about the flags? Is it interesting?
Yes.
Yes? And any other fact do you want to share with your friends? Because I'm going to turn this episode off. Yes. Okay, so we got the flags of the world, lots of the flags of the world round here. Could you like to name?
Some.
Okay, so could you like to name some of the flags
I
around here?
like this one.
Okay, Ali Raza will do this box and Aliha will do this box. First Ali Raza. No, first Ali Raza's turn.
This one is Sweden.
This one is
Sweden.
Finland. It's Finland. I'll put it here. Next one, UAE.
Yes.
Yes.
China.
Next one is China. Next one,
South Korea.
South Korea. Next one, Croatia.
Croatia.
No, you can don't read it. You know it. What's this one?
United States.
United States of America.
Brazil.
This one is Brazil. This one is
Norway.
Norway. Okay, and this one is Jordan. Yes. Next one, Aliha's turn. Okay, Aliha's turn. No, wait. Yes, Aliha, one by one.
Okay.
Yes. Which one is this?
Morocco.
Morocco.
Australia.
Australia.
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Dil Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is this again? Pakistan. Jordan.
Jordan. Is this one is Jordan actually, not that
India.
one. India.
Italy.
Italy. Is it Italy? Is it Italy?
Yes.
Do you know Italy is being very much affected with the coronavirus? Yes. So stay home, stay safe. Italians too. This is a message for all of us. Stay home, stay safe. Yes. Next one.
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Where do you know what important thing is in Saudi Arabia? Which
They're
important?
very hot.
It's very hot. And what actually the Holy Kaaba is in Saudi Arabia?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And what next?
England.
England. England has the Union Jack in the
United
flag.
Kingdom.
Yes, United Kingdom actually.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. New Zealand flag and
Australia.
Australia flag is very much similar. Just उसके अंदर एक
And the color.
color is
It's
same.
red. Look, it's redder.
Red stars. Actually,
And
it has a red
Canada.
star. And this one is
Canada.
Canada.
And the final one is Florida.
Okay, and this one is Pilonda, जो कि अली रज़ा की अपनी country है. And I really appreciate जो कि इन्होंने इसके ऊपर flags बनाए, flags पे patterns बनाए. I really appreciate that. So this was all from today, and I guess we actually had a lot of things in here, and we really appreciate that. Thank you for watching this. Can you say goodbye, Ali Raza and Aliha?
Bye.